So on today's vlog, we'll be going to Keila Waterfall. Keila Waterfall is one of the biggest waterfalls in Estonia, Tallinn to be precise. So guys, come with me on this beautiful ride. My ride is here and I'm about to take the ride of my life to Keila. Come on guys, let's go. So guys, before we move on with the fun fact about this beautiful place that we are going to today, if this is your first time of watching, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Juga and I am so delighted to have you join us. And for my existing subscribers, you guys know how I feel about you. Thank you guys for always watching all of my videos. Thank you for always coming back. The Keila Waterfall is located in the Keila small town, a rural municipality in the Juga County of Estonia. One interesting fun fact about the Keila Waterfall is the tradition where the locals believe that coming to the waterfall on their wedding day and tossing a key into the flowing water brings fortune in the marriage. This is really an interesting fact. So guys, let's go see this beautiful fortune-bringing waterfall. So guys, after about an hour ride, we finally arrived at the waterfall, and yeah, let's take a look and see how it looks like. I'm always excited when I'm visiting a new place because I believe that visiting new places around me helps me to understand the place I'm living, helps me to understand the people around me. So yeah, it's chilling. I'm already getting the chills. Yeah, here we are over there. So guys, let's go.